Jai Hind. Team 11B welcomes you. Hello everyone. My idea is about a healthy snack that is truly local. It is Kesar Almond Local Energy Bar. Today, when we need a quick snack, we buy energy bars that are made far away. They are expensive and sometimes they have too much sugar. This is happening even though Punjab grown some of the world's best almonds, walnuts, and high quality saffron. We are not getting our own healthy modern snacks. Our vocal for local solution is to create a special energy bar. It will be made only from our local pure ingredients, almonds, walnuts, and red kesar, all held together by natural energy. We will make this bar in a local small unit run by local people. We will pack it professionally and market it as a premium Punjab energy bar. This business is great because it creates a new market for our local farmers who buy dried fruits. It provides a natural healthy snack for everyone. This is how we can take our best local products to the world. Thank you.